welcome back to our channel. And today's video, it's a snowstorm here in Kingston, and we wanted to go in outside to check it out. So as you can see how whew. Yes, look.
Actually, if you want to see how much snow we have so far, I'll go in the street. Go here.
Look at that, guys. Today is snowstorm, and like as you can see my boots when I went, it's
Already 30 centimeters.
it's already 30 centimeters, and you can see it's so empty. Look at that. We just went outside, and then because this is already like a dog walk park, this is a swimming pool area in a summer with a slide. So we are in the dog park. As you can see, guys, there's a lot of dog owners. Yeah, some husky, some kind of breed of a dog, they really enjoy this kind of weather, but they're so dedicated with their dogs. Look at them, guys, and look how deep is the snow. So in summer, guys, all of this field is track and field. You can see here there's a bike path and walk path over there going around, and now it's full of snow. But this is amazing. Like I really enjoy this kind of weather. Of course, it's kind of ridiculous if I said that I enjoy like putting all the stuff, but it's just amazed me how the snow feels, and just play outside like a little girl. But I've been here for 5 years, but I'm still enjoying it. We'll see after 10 years, you guys. Philip is there. Yeah. Look at my face, you guys. Woo, it's all wet already because of the snow. Whew. It's not that cold though, it's -7. The other day it's almost -27. But usually if there's a lot of snow, there's always like not really cold. I mean, there's a lot of snow, but it's not that -20 or 30. It's always like -7, -10. I couldn't explain the theory of that, but it's always like that. Either a lot of snow and it's not really cold, or it's really cold but it's sunny outside. So the other day it's almost like negative 27, but it's really sunny outside. So there you guys. I don't know if you could see it, but this is the road, you guys, and sometimes the truck that clean this is not yet available because they clean other places that is more important, especially the highway, I mean the main road over there. Whew. And this is our area here. If you are new to this channel, guys, I'm Irish Jayne Loyer and I'm here in Canada. I hope you like, subscribe, hit the notification button so you're always updated for my upcoming videos. Au revoir, guys!